G'day. Here's one thing that really annoys me with certain laptop manufacturers. So, over here, I've got 3 Wi-Fi cards, all Intel brands, all really old Intel brands. So if we look across the top, we should see some model numbers. These are all fairly old ones by today's standards. Up here, I've got some slightly newer ones. These ones are pretty current, this one here, an AX201N GW. Same with this one over here. And these guys are slightly older. And here was the original Qualcomm Wi-Fi card that was in there. The dilemma it had was it wasn't seeing the Wi-Fi networks at a school, so since then I've changed it, and I've changed it with another Qualcomm wireless card. This one right here, if my camera will focus, and the Qualcomm QCA9377. The dilemma that I've got though, these new Wi-Fi cards do not work in this laptop. They physically plug in the same PCIe slot, but Lenovo and a few other brands do it, blacklist the Wi-Fi cards or whitelist the Wi-Fi cards. By blacklist they mean they don't deny individual models or brands from working inside them, or they whitelist them. So they'll only allow certain models to work in there. What's that mean? Basically it means that you're stuck using the Wi-Fi cards the manufacturer had specified. Luckily these ones here didn't really cost me anything. They're pulled out of old faulty machines or newer faulty machines, as some of them are. But the dilemma there is, you're at mercy of the manufacturer to what you use in your own machine. These 3 Wi-Fi cards I've got, all of them, are all better than the ones that are there. And they would all solve the issue the customer has with his. But they do not simply work in there because the manufacturer said not to. That sucks. That's crap. It's a bit bullshit. It should stop. Anyway, not much more to say about that one. Bye.